Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series guys, and we're going to discuss if your OBD port does not work, how to fix that. Now, this is a E91, E90, E92, E93 should be covered. That generation BMW guys uses 3 different fuse boxes depending on the year it was built, so yours might differ a little bit. Always double check everything. Now, if your OBD port doesn't work, we'll show you which fuse to check. Okay, you can see right here is our OBD port, depending on where it was built. For European, I think for American market or in different models you might have a different location. Okay, perfect. And now let's cover where the fuse is located for that thing. So we'll have more than 200 videos on this car guys, so please subscribe to the channel. Many more videos to come. On some models that fuse is actually for the instrument cluster as well. So let's go ahead and start on it. The fuse box is behind the glove box on the passenger side. Okay, so let's get here now. Open the glove box. Okay, you have that cover that we need to remove so we can reach the fuses. Those round things, turn them 90 degrees and it will unlock the cover. Okay, like that. Other one here, perfect. Now we have one fuse that is for that OBD connection now, and this fuse guys is number 58. 58 is a little bit of a hidden fuse. Okay, and we need to come on this side down here. Okay, you can see on the very bottom right here. Okay, let me focus a little bit. That's where the fuses are located. 58 will be the one for the OBD connection, and 58 will be, okay, the third one from left to right. 1, 2, 3. And even if you have an empty space, you still count the third one. Okay, so this is our third one. It's just a 5 amp fuse. I'll go ahead, get the puller now. Okay, we need to use the little side because it's a small fuse. Grab it and pull it out. I'll get the replacement one. Okay, give me just a second to grab a replacement one. Okay, this is the new one. You can check where we get ours from in the description of the video below if you need any parts or tools that we use in our videos, and we will replace it with a new one. Okay, perfect. Do not forget to install your fuse puller, because if you do, okay, and later you need it, it's very inconvenient to replace fuses without that thing. And don't forget to put your cover on. Okay, this cover, you just get it in like that and turn those round things 90 degrees. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving a subscribe, and see you guys next time.